So I want a defined edge first. So I need to get one on there. Put that down there. I want that to be about 10 mil. To the end of that, and I also need to butter the end of the brick. So hang on 1 minute. First brick I've ever laid. Not looking good. Gonna have to prop this end up with something. Okay, let's leave that there for now and see what we can get on this other end. Okay, I'm cracking on a bit. Got some bricks in. They look okay and they feel okay. I'm going to clean all these now so that I can just get them all on and get it up to a second layer at least. But yeah, let's clean all these up so I don't have to clean then put one on. Right, got it set up now so you can see a bit better. So laying. Don't think I'm doing bad for a first time. Obviously some out there I disagree, but never know till you give it a go, do you? Do it like a professional. So I don't think a full brick is going to fit in this one, so we need to make a smaller one. Which we can do like this. I'm going to say about there. That's what we get. Which now does fit. Okay, so now that one does fit in there. Now we've cut it down. We just need to make sure that we butter both the ends of it. Get a little muck under there. Okay, so that's actually looking pretty good. So that's coming on quite nicely. I know that it isn't perfect and it was never going to be without rebuilding the whole thing, but it's back together and it's more secure than it was. So now I can get bricks in that space so we're all up to third course complete, and then just put the top bricks on and then get it covered up and let it dry. I can get a bit in that gap there. Put you on time lapse for this. So we've run out of muck. We need to make some more. I'm going to do the same as I did before. 5-to-1 cement to sand. So I've got one good big cement. 5 sand to go with that. These are only little ones, so I'm going to say that's the 5 sand. Let's give that a mix up. Okay, make a well in the middle. To start with, I'm just going to mix that up. Looking like a lot of water. Definitely got too much water in that. I'm going to add a quarter cement. Let's just try it really. About a fifth, I think. Definitely too much water in that. I'm going to do another fifth cement and 1 sand. course we've got to get new sand. Okay, so we'll go with that. Can't believe it's time. Okay, that's much better. So, we're working in the rain from now. So, we'll stop filming for now so the camera doesn't get wet. I'll just carry on. Okay, we had a little bit of rain then. The finished product is that. So, obviously, it isn't perfect. If someone was building a wall, you wouldn't pay them for it. But considering the state it was in before, and the fact that it was falling down, it's now secure. Covered our little hole up, which I believe is the incoming water, which was covered by the previous wall, which is why we couldn't find an outside stop tap, because it's there. So yeah, that is much stronger than it was before. A couple of days that'll be dry and ready to go. So we've got to clean the path now and finish clearing up this rubble, which seems never ending. So there we go. We did it last Sunday, it's Friday today, so I'm taking the covers off. And like I say, you wouldn't pay for it, but it's stronger than